Today I'm doing rainbow rain. For this experiment, we need several cups and a petit or a medicine dropper, a glass for colors and oil, water, and spoon for mixing. Now let's put water to every cup. I'm done with food colors. Now we need to put oil in the glass. Okay. Now let's get the pipette or medicine dropper and put the food coloring to the oil. Now I'm doing orange. Whoa. Whoa. Then green. Then whoa. Then whoa! I can see a rainbow. Now you need to mix it. Big spoon. Hold tight. Whoa! That's so cool. Looks like rainbow rain. Whoa. It got like billions of water food colors. Do you know why the water didn't mix with the oil? I will tell you the science behind it. You notice that water and oil didn't mix together because water is more dense than oil. Water molecules are polar chemical bonds, and oil molecules are non-polar chemical bonds. That's why water and oil didn't mix together. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Hope you like my rainbow rain.